Hello mga ka-buy and sell, welcome po sa aming YouTube channel. Panoorin ang mga segunda manong sasakyan. Baka may magustuhan at swak sa iyong bulsa. Please support and subscribe na din po ka-BAS. 2019 model Subaru Forester Eyesight, 2-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 37,000 kilometers mileage, Eyesight throttle management, X-mode suspension controls, electronic handbrake, boxer powerful engine, paddle shifters, genuine leather seats, power seats, infotainment display, computer center console, backup sensors and camera. Cash price, 858,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 237,000 pesos. (2017) model Suzuki Ertiga GL, 1.4-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 46,000 kilometers mileage, touchscreen stereo, fog lamps, all power, folding third row seat, all stock, all original, first owner, fresh and like new condition, flawless body paint. Cash price, 498,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 90,900 pesos. (2019 model Mitsubishi Xpander GLS Sport, top of the line, 1.5-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 31,000 kilometers mileage, push-button start, touchscreen stereo, steering wheel controls, body full wrap-around skirts from factory, all stock, all original, owner's manual and service booklet. First owner, fresh and still like new condition, flawless body paint. Cash price, 698,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 123,000 pesos plus. (2014 model Ford Ranger Wildtrak, top of the line, 3.2-liter turbo diesel engine, automatic transmission, 67,000 kilometers mileage, 4-wheel drive, all power, power electronic seats, factory genuine leather seats, full steering wheel controls, all stock, all original, personal used only, fresh and well-loved condition, flawless body paint. Cash price, 608,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 177,000 pesos plus. 2013 model Ford Explorer Limited, top of the line. 3.5-liter V6 gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 65,000 kilometers mileage, push-button start, electronic sunroof, paddle shifter, infotainment display, steering wheel controls, multiple aircon, power tailgate and seats, power third row seat, all stock, all original, lady owner, cash price, 528,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 232,500 pesos. (2013 model Subaru Forester, 2.0-liter gasoline engine, automatic transmission, 65,000 kilometers mileage, first owner, all-wheel drive, well-maintained, touchscreen monitor, flawless in and out, steering controls, central locking system, all power, all original, all stock, cash price, 388,000 pesos, slightly negotiable upon viewing. For financing all-in down payment, 73,900 pesos. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe para ma-update po kayo lagi. Visit sa website for more for sale.